Monkey bowling! Yo! Bowling! Yeah! We be whacking down pins as Monkey is. Wait, do these characters have stats? Why are there stats in Monkey Bowling? What the fuck? Which players IO? Why are there stats? Oh my. So yeah, we're bowling today as monkeys. We're bowling as monkeys, because I don't feel like playing World 5. I mean, World 5 isn't that bad, it's just... This is very slow. World 5 isn't bad, I just don't feel like playing it today, so... Oh, nice. Nice, Spare. Bowling is pretty fun. The bowling of the monkey variety is, well, again, it's not a very good commentary game, but, you know, we are bowling and we are a monkey, so there is that. Monkey bowling! Oh, I'm kinda cracked at this. Oh, that's like perfect. I don't even need to spin. But, yeah, monkey bowling. Fuck. Do 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 do. Persona. Yeah, let's talk about Persona 5 mobile game China thing. So apparently there's a Persona 5 mobile game in like China, only in China. And it looks like not a mobile game, but it is. And I'm kind of annoyed that they use the development resources to make that game instead of the Goro Akechi prequel game, which everyone wants. Like, nobody wants a Chinese exclusive Persona 5 mobile game. Or at least I don't think anyone wants that. It just looks like Persona 5, but again, and worse. So, it seems a little bit pointless. I mean, and also, like, the new character designs, like the Velvet Room Resident and the Aquarium Velvet Room and the new characters and shit could have been used in Persona 6 instead of whatever this game is. Basically, I just feel like it was kind of a waste of development resources for some Chinese exclusive game no one's gonna play. But what do I know? Atlas can do whatever they want. Even if I think an Akechi prequel would be way cooler. But you know, Atlas knows best doing, I guess. Whoa, Aigis, Persona 3. My Super Monkey Ball too. I sound a little deadpan today, I apologize for that. It takes immense concentration to play monkey bowling, apparently. What's some of this background anyway? Why is there like a rocket here? It's like the lore for monkey bowling. The monkey bowling lore, apparently we're going to space, but we're bowling in Monkey Land. Does this take place on Jungle Island? Is this in the space colony? Where are we? Is this even canon? Or is monkey bowling not canon? Is monkey target canon? Is monkey billiards canon? Are the cowboys canon to the monkey ball timeline? What even is the monkey ball timeline anyway? I feel like every new game contradicts itself. If Banana Blitz completely reset the series, Super Monkey Ball Adventure I haven't played yet, but I assume that game has a story, since it's Monkey Ball Adventure. I kinda wanna play Monkey Ball Adventure. People say it's bad, but like, it can't be that bad. It can't be worse than Banana Blitz, right? Surely. Fuck. It can't be worse than Banana Blitz. There's no way. Even if the game is bad, like, it didn't ruin the franchise like Banana Blitz did. At least it still has the old designs, and it feels like it has passion behind it. They didn't just, like, make a soulless Wii minigame collection game. You know, like, it actually has, like, some heart. It isn't just a waste of time and development resources. How long is this the last, oh, fuck. Didn't do it hard enough. Maybe if I were playing as Gongon, I would have been able to get more strikes. Since Gongon's a heavy ball. So yeah, that's my high score. I ranked in apparently. I don't know what that means. Fireworks! Aye aye! Aye aye fireworks! In Space City Land, which isn't canon, I guess. Yeah. That's monkey bowling. It sounds like monkey bowling, but it's not, it's bowling.